Always fun. Welcome back to Shrub with Ed. We're back out at Trexler, the day after Thanksgiving, burning off some of that turkey. Kristen's catching up, but they have a new trail that we're going to try out, so we're going to start with the usual trails and warm up and get this going. Amazing what a few days of rain will do for this place. And here's the death climb. I hated this in the race. Just getting warm. It's pretty windy, but this is definitely one of those places that I want to ride more until it's too cold. You good? Yep. Besides, these berms are a little slick. I like popping off the bottom log on these. Gotta lower myself in these turns when it's slick like this. This tough little off-camber section. Took the pro line there and went off trail a little bit. I'm happy with being able to get out there and ride as much as I have been this weekend. Though I miss my enduro a lot. I really can't remember the last time I rode that thing. Might have actually been a Thursday night race league. So this is where the old jump line is. It's quiet out there today because they opened the new trail, so I guess it's a chopped liver, but I still want to hit it just to warm up on it. I don't know if there's one guy coming. This one's pretty fun. So we're gonna loop this and head over to the new trail. Yep. This is probably the most scenic place I come to ride. As if you're into the vast green rolling hills. See where he went right? We're doing that. So I just noticed someone take a really nice shortcut onto this jump line that I'm gonna try. Makes sense though. I don't gotta pedal like an idiot. Whoops. Smack the GoPro on the bars there. I want to get better at using my hips and stuff to pump the bike through the terrain. Gotta get a little more active. It helps for motocross too. Oh. That table out of the turn is so hard. Windy. Nice little headwind out here. That's kind of sketchy when you're going over jumps. This is the start to stage 2 from the race we did here. I could take this to the beginning of the new trail. So it's better than just punishing yourself through some gravel roads. I mean, I've tried road biking before and it was okay, but I think since I mostly ride alone, I've always preferred to ride in the woods. I don't know, I feel like it's more fun. I could probably get into road riding or something if I rode with larger groups, but we'll see. Having more than enough fun mountain biking, that's for sure. See the new trail's cut in over there. I think that's where we're gonna be at least. This is where half pipe starts. I think we need another Florida trip. If I'm being 100% honest, I would love to go back. We went last year, well, earlier this year and got engaged. I wanted to try to ride out near Lafayette, like the Tampa area, just because those trails are apparently great, but we didn't really have a lot of time. The weather wasn't on our side. It was actually surprisingly cold for Florida. Oh, she's gonna love that. And that got rough. See how she handles that. Should we take the cheater line? Yep. Oh, cheater. Yeah, there was a nice little technical turn. Yeah. You're being fuel efficient. Gotta burn off the French toast sticks. Alright, so here's the opening of this new trail. Let's see if we can find it. Jack O Diamonds. Wow. I have never been out here before on this side of the park. I didn't realize how big it was.
That's what she said.
Hey. Oh, sending all this blind is fun, especially with this wind. Oh, I want to hit that. Woo! That was a big one. Taste it though. Oh, they're getting bigger. A little beeline. It's a good way to take a breather if you want. That's the double he's talking about. Let's check on Kristen. Yeah. Keep it going.
What?
Keep it going.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
I'm gonna run you over if you don't go faster. Cheater. You could get into a lot of trouble on these trails. Wink. You're fine. We're gonna make a left, really, really sharp left. Stand up. Get steeper. You're okay, keep going straight. Aim for the road and make a left. All right, so I guess that's it. I'd love to go back up and do it again, but it's gonna be getting dark in the next 20 minutes or so, and I don't want to finish this at night. So head back to the car, get the heat going because it's getting colder, and head home. Thanks for watching, guys.